Hi friends, welcome to the Quiz King. In this video, test your observation skills. Can you find the odd number and letters within given time? There are 3 levels: easy, medium, hard. Are you ready? Let's go! Hey viewers, challenge your eagle eyes, find 36 within given time. Come on, my genius viewers, you found it. Time is up. Wow, that's great. Hey genius, boost your IQ level, find YU within time. Come fast, viewers, you found it. Time is over. Wow, you are very genius. Hey, are you focus master? Find 56 within time. Come on, viewers, time is up. Hey, check your observation skills. Find VN within given time. Wow, amazing! Nobody can find 08 within time. Come on, my genius viewers, you found it. Time is over. Wow, good job. Hey, are you smart? Find DC within given time. Yes, nice catch. Hey viewer, check your brain. Come on, genius. Where are my genius viewers? Come on, you found it. Time is up. Wow, that's great. Hey, can you find FX within 15 seconds? Wow, excellent work. Anybody can find 59 within 15 seconds? Test your visual skills, find SA within time. Time is over. Come on, viewers, fast your eyes, find 64 within time. Time is up. are you genius? Find 35 within time. Come fast, viewers, you found it. Time is over. Wow, amazing. Hey, boost your IQ level. Find MS within given time. Hey viewers, come on, next medium level. Check your brain, find 299 within time. Hey viewers, test your visual skills within given time. Come on viewers, you found it. Time is up. Hey, check your observation skills. Find VHD within time. Come on, genius, time is over. Hey viewers, boost your IQ level. Find 002 within time. Anybody can find within 15 seconds? Wow, amazing! Hey, can you find 9GO within time? Come on, my genius viewers, you found it. Time is over. Hey, are you focus master? Yes, my viewers is very focus master. Wow, good job. Hey, can you find 541 within given time? Time is over. Hey, are you smart? Find OET within given time. Wow, amazing! Hey, are you genius? Find 556 within 15 seconds. Wow, that's great! Hey genius, next hard level. Hey genius, come on, check your IQ level within time. Come fast, viewers, my viewers is very genius. Come on genius, time is up. Nobody can find within 15 seconds. Come on, legend, time is up. Hey, spot the odd letter LJKH within time. viewers, can you find P5G8 within 15 seconds? Come on, legend, you found it. Time is up. Identify the odd number within 15 seconds. Hey, where are my genius viewers? Come on, time is up. Yes, my viewers is very genius. Hey viewers, test your visual skills within time. Come on viewers, time is up. Wow, that's great. Hey viewers, spot the odd letter within 15 seconds. Time is up. Come on viewers, check your eyes test within time. Hey genius, this is my last question and very hard question. Come on genius. Hey genius, you found it. Come on, time is up. Wow, amazing. Please like and subscribe my channel. Do not forget to share your score in the comment box.